In order to find and manage display settings on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, first of all we need to open the settings on the left side. We're gonna scroll down a little bit and we want to choose display. Now in here we have a bunch of different options that are related to display settings, such as the light mode and the dark mode. You can also go to dark mode settings in order to create an automatic dark mode or scheduled dark mode, so that the dark mode can be enabled and disabled at a given time. We have a screen brightness slider, so you can adjust the brightness of the screen over here. And we also have adaptive brightness, also known as automatic brightness. Then we have motion smoothness, which allows you to adjust the refresh rate of your display. If you choose adaptive, then you can have up to 90 Hz of screen refresh rate. And if you choose standard, then you will have 60 Hz. If you make any changes, remember to press apply button over here. Then we have the eye comfort shield, which turns your screen yellow or orange to protect your eyes, which is of course useful when you are, let's say, reading at night or something like that, so just to protect your eyes, of course. And when you go into that option, if you turn it on, you can also create a schedule, so the eye comfort shield can be enabled automatically, just like the dark mode. And then over here we also have the color temperature, so you can adjust how orange the screen should be. Let's go back. Now over here we have font size and style, so you can adjust the size of the text. You can also choose a different font over here, and we can enable the bold font option, so we can make our font thicker. Then we have the screen zoom, which allows you to make everything bigger or smaller, every element on the screen, which we can of course adjust on this slider. And the aspect ratio for apps, so you can pretty much force apps to have a specific aspect ratio over here. Let's go back. There we go. We have the screen timeout, so you can choose the time of inactivity, after which the screen will turn itself off. You will put the display to sleep. Then we have edge panels, which is this slider over here. In my case, it is red and bigger. In your case, it was probably like wide and transparent, so it might be hard to spot at first, but of course we can go to edge panels in order to customize the handle quite easily in here. Then we have the taskbar, which is of course this taskbar on this panel over here at the bottom. This can be easily enabled and disabled as well. The navigation bar, so you can choose if you prefer to use buttons for navigation, like these over here, or if you prefer to use swipe gestures. We also have the assistant app, so you can touch and hold the home button or the handlebar when we use swipe gestures, and to activate the digital assistant, so usually Google Assistant in this case. And then we have the accidental touch protection, which can be enabled and disabled, and the screensaver. So in here you can choose the screensaver that can be displayed when you are charging your tablet. And that is pretty much everything that is related to display settings. Besides that, if you're looking for some more visual changes, then of course we have wallpaper and style over here that you might want to check out. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.